Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You, and various other nicknames and aliases. And today we're drawing the Clone Wars Obi-Wan. So what you're looking at here is I'm going over on the light board. I have a printout of a picture of an Obi-Wan Kenobi toy. So I printed out a picture of the toy, and now I'm going over some of these main shapes on the light board with my trusty Ticonderoga T420 blue pencil here, which is many times my pencil of choice. And here's the original image that I used. I don't know much about this toy. I just found that picture on the internet and I like the pose. So what I'm doing here is just kind of going over the main shapes so that I can get the proportions right. And I'm not doing the actual drawing now. I'm just taking these main shapes. You'll see when I pull the picture out from underneath that, I'm not really doing a lot of drawing here. I'm just, outlining these shapes, tracing this stuff. And then we're going to end up using a background from something else and some other pieces. But for this main part, we're tracing from the light board here. I've mentioned this in a few videos, but you can get a pretty cheap light board these days. But if you don't have one or you don't want to mess with that, you can always tape your image up to a window in the daytime and have your paper on top of that.
Like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, and share.
So this figure is pretty much done here. I'm putting the border on there, and after I, got that figure in there, that's when I got out this battle droid figure, because I wanted to have it as if he had just whacked the head off of a battle droid. So there's the head and the hand are there, and when you see my signature there, that means I'm saying I'm going to finish this drawing. So that's exactly what happened. I finished this one out, and here we go with the inks. And this is the Pigma Micron. I go around with the holding lines with a number 8 in this case, and then I'll go back with a 3 for some of the finer lines in a bit. So this is about it for the inks. I'm just doing a little touch up here and there, but it's pretty much all there. And so it looks like Drawn to You 2 is taking over here. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Starting out with the face. I think that's the opposite of what I think I left the face for the end, but starting out with the face here, that's good. This is probably the most precise one that 2 has done. Very proud of him on this one. I asked him to really just take his time and just concentrate on being precise with the colors here, and he really did a great job. I'm very happy with this one. You can see my pencil popping in there once in a while, just a couple of pointers, but for the most part, he really hit this quick, knew what he was doing. He had picked out all the colors in advance, so we knew what we were doing with the palette there. And those blue lines, the motion lines there, he practiced that on another page. That's me showing him how to go in with that white jelly roll and cover up some ink marks. But yeah, he practiced that swiping with the broad chisel marker a couple of times before we went in there. And then, because when you go to the actual one, you really only get one shot at it. So practicing paid off, and I really like the way those look. All right, 2's got his hello there, the Obi-Wan Kenobi. He's got the mini over here. And then he's going to go in and do his Drawn to You 2 logo. And he's got a kind of a lightsaber logo. And he's going to do a blue 2 on top of that one. All right, and you can see I added the background there. We had a good time with this one, Internet. Hope you did too. Until next time, I'm Drawn to You. I have to say that is my favorite negative drawing.
Yeah.